at Tigs Tuesday. Oh my gosh, I think this is our first fall video of 2022. Anyway, we are going to start with Gerry Weber because he's one of our favorite people in our store. And here I have this beautiful dress on and has pockets, modal, a little bit of poly, be easy for travel. It's got a nice balloon sleeve with a bit of elastic. This is going to be a very popular sleeve that you're going to see throughout our fall. And you could, I just have my silver, but you could wear your pearls, nice jewelry, whatever. It's just a great go-to dress and extremely comfortable because it's completely straight. There's no fit to it or anything. Just a little zip down the back, easy. So we're going to start over here in our corner. And here we have a vest. Now, I know there's probably another name for this style of vest, and everybody's going to say, oh, it's so big, but it is meant to be worn over heavier sweaters or whatever. Some people wear them even over a puffer jacket, just as an extra layer. So it has a full zip and a little tie at the neck, short sleeve. It has a couple of buttons on the side with pockets. Very comfy, easy to wear. And it's all poly, it's all washable. So just a little note about this vest. On the inside, Gerry Weber is extremely conscious of the environment and sustainability and eco-friendly. So it has this little blurb on the inside about this jacket will keep you warm with padding made of recycled bottles. Featherless, warm, lightweight, soft, breathable, and it's water repellent. So a great piece for outerwear, or of course I would wear it inside because I'm always cold. So there you go. Great, and you're going to see lots of this style within other lines that we are going to be carrying in our store. So here's just another little layering piece. This little group that has come in is pretty much black and white. There's a little bit of green, which they call Petrol, but just little items that you can wear now and on into the fall season. So this is just a little layering piece with a mock neck and an elbow length sleeve in black, and it also comes in cream down the line there. We have this beautiful little knitwear sweater, which has we have had many times in our store in other colors, and it is 100% cotton, has beautiful knit lines down the front with the crew neck. And I just want to say also Gerry Weber's got We Are Gerry on their hang tag, and it has a little sustainability symbol on them, which means that they belong to the sustainable, eco-friendly, environmentally friendly association in the world. So it takes a lot of work and effort to get this little stamp on your hang tag. So we are very proud to carry Gerry Weber in our store and be part of that program. On to another little layering piece, just a nice little loose fitting 100% cotton top, and it has this really neat sleeve detail. It's got a pleat in it and also on the back, crew neck. Also available in another green color. These pants, I tell you, have been so popular in our store so far. Oh my gosh. All elastic waist with a really pretty waist elastic band and a flat, clean front waist at the front. It is in a viscose fabric with elastane, and it has got a nice seam detail down the side, a very pretty pant, and there's two pockets on the back. It's just so comfortable, and the leg is not too skinny, it's not too wide, it's just nice and straight down the middle. Then we have this little sweater, also in cotton modal fabric, and it has got the geometric pattern on the front, which is also going to be a very popular thing, design in other lines in the store for fall. Nice little crew neck, and the pattern is also on the back. Little side slit, so it's nice with the skinny pants. And then my little dress. And here is the little cotton top that we already talked about in the cream color. It's available in the cream. And here's just some nice little basic shirts. 100% cotton, elbow length sleeve with a cuff with a wee button down the front. Nice seam detail down the side and the back. It's slightly A-line, so it's extremely comfortable over a skinny pant. Available in the blue. And a nice long sleeve white shirt. Everybody needs a long sleeve white shirt in their wardrobe. It is sort of a box top shape with a little slit on the side and a deep hem. It also has this nice pleat detail at the back. So it's just a nice little, gives it just a nice little detail, and then a nice little notch collar, not too big. There we go. It's 100% cotton with some spandex. And here is a straight fit jean, and it's in this, this fabric is so incredibly soft and so stretchy. And it's called a straight fit. So of course the leg is not too wide, not too skinny, and it's just a nice straight pockets on the back, cut like a jean. It's got some nice little detail here on the side, and it is in the stone color only so far. The first top that we talked about in the black is also available in the cream. So here is a nice little top in the petrol color that I was mentioning. It has a nice elastic sleeve, tab front halfway down the front, nice little collar, little pleating in the back, and it is a bit of a rounded bottom with a slit on the side. This color also is going to be popular for fall. It's just a nice little change from white or black, and it is in this beautiful modal soft fabric. Another pant from Gerry Weber. Beautiful elastic in the back, so comfortable. It has a clasp closure at the front in the waistband. It must have a pocket. It does have a pocket. And again, it's a little bit wider leg than the other one that I spoke about, but again, a really nice, easy dress pant, or I mean, you could wear it anytime, but it would be a nice dressier pant to have in your closet. And the last item, again in the nice petrol color, this is a nice little layering piece with a button front. It's kind of like a vest. With buttons down the front, and you're going to see also lots and lots of different variations of this style in the winter collections. Yeah, a little sweater vest, just a nice little layering piece. You can wear it over a shirt or a turtleneck, or you can wear it on your own if you want to. Yeah, here we see it with the white shirt. And Gerry Weber also always does a nice scarf that coordinates all the colors within the collection, and this is the one that they've done for this one. So there we go. That's it for this week's Tuesday video at Tigs. Hope you're having a wonderful summer. Oh my gosh, it's such beautiful warm weather. I love it. Love it. And our back room is getting full of fall stock, so Mom is back there unpacking as we speak, and we get deliveries every day, never stops, so there's new product in here all the time. We still have a very good selection of sale merchandise left, so come in and check it out. Love to see you, or you can check it on our online store. All our sale product is on our online store at the discounted price. And you will see this new collection of Gerry Weber on our online store. So we are very up to date. Our Harris and Davis work so hard to make sure everything is correct and perfect and up to date, and they do a great job. So you can check that out and then phone us or email us at tigstorethornbury@gmail.com. Our phone number is 519-599-3547. Instagram, Facebook, Tigs Store. And I think that's all I have to tell you this week. So have a great week, stay cool, and enjoy the rest of the summer. Cheerio for now.
Welcome to the Shoe Corner, where I'm going to talk about these new Michael Kors boots that came in for fall. They are super cute. I don't know which ones I'm going to get, but I definitely want a pair of them. This one is called the Peyton. It is a lace up, as you can see, but it also has a zipper down the side, so it's easy access in and out. It has a bit of a chunky rubber sole. It has the fabric MK logo print on the foot part. And it's just such a cute fall shoe. It is cream, it's not white, as you can see against my white shirt. This one retails for $278, and it is called the Peyton boot. This one here is called the Comet boot, and it retails for $248, and it's just like almost like a sock nylon slip-on boot. It is so incredibly comfortable and just easy going with any outfit. Again, it does have a bit of a chunkier tread, also rubber, so it's nice and durable for the fall season. And it has the little MK logo at the back there. Just a cute little detail that Michael Kors added. Of course, they think of all the cute little details, but these will be on the website as well, so you can check them out there and grab your size before they fly out of here. We've already sold a few, even though it's still summertime, so get them while you can.
We're very proud to carry Gerry Weber in our store and be part of that program. Where'd that come from? And on to,
Come on, that was awesome.
That was amazing.
Oh my god.
What?
That was
You just
awesome.
killed
That was so awesome.